Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to look at the AND, OR, and XOR functions today. First one is the AND. AND is quite simple. When we give conditions, if all the conditions are met, or if they're all of them correct, then it will come as a true. If one or more than one conditions didn't match or didn't come as a correct, so it will come as a false. We can do one example here. So we have first column different values and second one different values, and we can give one condition now. And if first one A2, let's say larger than 40, and if a second one B2 larger than 50. Okay, so if any row larger than first one is larger than 40 and the second one is larger than 50, in the same time it will come as a true, if not false. So first one is false. If I drag this down, it will copy all my codes and it will change according the number for A4. It will all change column and row number. Okay, they're all changed, and as you can see, the last one and fourth and fifth conditions are met, and it came as a true. Second, there's another example you can use for specific dates sales. You can show. So there's we want to show this highlighted yellow highlighted date sales. We want them as a true. How we can do it? And we want anything after 5th of the month and before 9th. So and the way we can do it, if anything A2 larger than. This time we want to put this 6th of the or 5th of the month, A6 as a reference point. So we don't want it to be changed when we drag down. When we drag down, this A2 will be A3, A4, or 5. We don't want, because this is our reference point and we don't want different values. So how we can do it? We can lock this with $sign A and another $6. Okay, so anything after 5th of the month or after 6th cell. And second one A2 before 9th of the month or 10th cell. So $sign again, A, $sign 10. Okay. And enter. So false. If I drag this down. Okay, this scheme is a true. So this is the dates we wanted. Okay, that's quite simple. Next one is the OR. For OR function, difference is it doesn't need to come all the conditions true or correct, or at least one or more than one is met our conditions. It will come as a true. So you can have one condition or more than one can be false, still will come as a true. How we can do it? Where there's a values, different numbers, so we give two conditions and we want one is correct is enough for us. So or A2, let's say equal to 25, or A2 larger than 50. Okay, so first one is didn't match, second one is 25 equal, and if we drag, only the numbers matched here. Okay, quite easy. And the last one is XOR. XOR is a different the way it works. For the conditions, we just need one condition to match or correct. That will come as a true. If all the conditions are correct or met our conditions, it's not coming. It will come as a false. Or if all of them are false, we only one of them. I know it's like not very useful for everyone, maybe limited purposes. One example I put here. Let's say we have 3 days and different item sales or percentage. We want to find an item only drop 1 day, sale drop and increase. So we want to find out what happened that day and why sales drop 1 day. And we don't want to look at the item sales always increased, or we don't want to look at the item the sales always drop. We want to only find the item 1 day drop, okay? If it makes sense. How we can do it? XOR. Let's say anything if B2 larger than A2 or C2 larger than B2. Okay, so in here, if this one second day larger than first, or third one is larger than second. So if both are large, it will give us false. If both didn't match, it will be false. We only want to find out which item sale drop only 1 day. Okay. So this one false because all sales are increased. Second one is true because this item drop and increase again. This one is true as well. Sale increase and drop. This one true, drop and increase. This one false, always increase. This one false, always drop. And last one false because always increase. Okay. Well, limited usage, but still you can use it if we need it for this kind of purposes. Okay. I hope it's easy. If any questions, please leave a comment, and thank you for watching and see you next time.